Welcome back to Caden's Corner, and today we're baking donut apples. First things first, we have to make our batter. First, we dump all of this flour in. Now you add 2 things of sugars. 1 and 2. Next up is 1½ cinnamon. Next up is 1 baking powder. Now we're going to stir everything really well and add our milk. And there's our batter. Now it's time to do our apple, but make sure to always have a grown-up nearby. Mom! Isn't this appealing? Number 2 is locked and loaded. Wow, that was fast. Okay, Carson, so put your left hand here and right hand here and twist. Yay! Here's what you do with your leftover apple peels. This is where we bring an adult in to cut the apples. I spot with my little eyes some little apples that are ready to be cored. Second rule. All done. Apples meet batter. Batter meet apples. You put the apple in the batter, then you fry it all up. This reminds me of slime. Oh, I see. While my mom's finishing up the apples, let's start our cinnamon sugar coating. Now that our apples are done, we're gonna brush it with butter and dip it in sugar. Gonna dip. These are looking good. Now it's time to taste test. Carson! Is it good? It's crumbly and good. These are so good, you have to try them. Tell me if you like them in the comments below. Peace.
Okay.
Yeehaw!
Have a couple.
Bye.